Texas health officials have just announced another confirmed measles case as the outbreak there continues to spread, and it's spreading across the country now. The state says there are 159 confirmed cases across 9 counties in Texas. That includes 1 child who died from the virus last week. As cases continue to spread, some doctors have growing concerns about the federal government's response to the state's growing outbreak. NBC News medical reporter Erika Edwards joins us now. So, Erika, good to see you. What do we know about this latest case, and how are health officials trying to protect the public?
Hey, Kate. So officials on the ground in Texas really aren't disclosing a lot of personal details about this new case. But what I can tell you is that nearly all cases so far have been in unvaccinated children, usually between the ages of 5 and 17. However, yesterday, the head of the Texas Department of Health said that they are starting to see an increase in cases reported among the tinier kids between the ages of 0 and 4. And we know that people are still getting sick enough to be hospitalized. Of those 159 cases that you mentioned, 22 people have had to be admitted to the hospital. Right now, what people are doing on the ground is trying to get as many people tested as possible and trying to get as many people vaccinated as possible. Even people who are unvaccinated can get the shot for protection if they've had an exposure to measles, as long as that happens within about a 72-hour window. Kate?
And Erika, I also want to ask about your new reporting on NBCNews.com. You report that some doctors are wary of Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the nation's top health official, and his response to this measles outbreak. But he, RFK, also, Secretary Kennedy, I should say, also spoke out about the outbreak today. So talk to us about the skepticism that he's facing and what he's saying.
Yeah, so despite what the secretary said during his confirmation hearings last month, he is not coming out to encourage or urge people to get MMR shots to try to combat this outbreak, which, by the way, his predecessor, Alex Azar, did in 2019 in response to a smaller measles outbreak during the first Trump administration. But what the secretary is touting right now is vitamin A, and that's usually reserved for people with, very low nutrition, not usually given to folks here in the U.S. Doctors are concerned that the messaging could prompt people to go out and up their vitamin A levels without a doctor's consent. Kate?
All right, Erika Edwards for us. Erika, thanks.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.